It's a promotional labels 3D model. It will give embossing look and special elegant look to your brand name. Particularly for this consumer products, it's very useful to develop your brand name and phone number. We supply this 3D labels all over India, particularly for automobile industry, ACs, and electronic shops like that. After sales this your product, you can put this sticker, this label, 3D label on the product. It will create extraordinary publicity. Different colors, different logos, different shapes we can supply all over India. Best products, it can stay on the product up to 6 7 years, this sticker. If you put common sticker, if you put this common sticker, they didn't allow. If you put this type of 3D labels, embossed labels, only customer will accept. You can get publicity. Particularly for these car dealers, bike dealers, they can put at the end of the vehicle or backside this name, your logo and phone number. It will create special look to vehicles also. Same time, any consumer products, any missionaries like that also, you can use this sticker. After sales, you can put this sticker to create more publicity. We are India's number one supplier this type of stickers. Not only this, any business. For any business, we supply the stickers, any type of stickers with a high quality, metal gum and extraordinary printing. It will come. Any size, any model, any shape, any color, 3D labels we supply all over India. Our phone number 92 463 72692. Our website ID www.hightechpublicity.com. Our company in Hyderabad, RTC Cross Road, we supply all over India for these furniture shops. For example, once they delivery furniture, they can put the sticker on the furniture. And washing machines, fridges like that. Your shop name, you can put this sticker. And computer institutes or computer sellers, they can put this sticker with the brand name, your shop name, or phone number, anything, whatever you want. Like that, you can use this one. For any machineries, equipments, everyone can use these stickers. If you want particularly for publicity, the same sticker you can put in the cars, bikes with their permissions. You will get publicity again. Our phone number 92 463 72692. We supply these stickers all over India. It's all best quality, waterproof, all weather condition. It can stay up to 6 7 years. And it will create your shop name publicity or your business publicity and branding. Thank you.